How to turn off message delivery tick marks on Messenger. Open the Messenger application on your device. Tap on the three lines on the top left of your screen and then tap on the settings button there. Here, firstly tap on activity status and now toggle off the button for show when you're active. Doing this only won't remove the message delivery tick mark, so now next what you can do is, if it is a single individual whom you don't want to see the delivery tick mark, then go ahead and restrict that person. To restrict, swipe left from the name of that particular individual and tap on More. You will now see the restrict option, tap on that and then tap on restrict again. Restricting a person will firstly move the chat out of sight, meaning it removes the conversation from the chats list and you will no longer get their message notification. That particular individual will also not be able to see, even if you have read their message, neither you or active will be visible. Nevertheless, you can always go ahead and unrestrict them anytime. To unrestrict, tap on the search bar and search their name and open the conversation. You will see the option for unrestrict. Tap on that and then go ahead and unrestrict them. Also launch the settings application on your device and tap on notification option. Go ahead and find the messenger option there and toggle off the allow notifications button. This will not let them know that the message has actually been delivered as well. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.